It's a rainy day here. Just going back into the old truck, doing some vacuuming, just kind of going through and seeing what I can find. I found some original touch-up paint from Toyota, which is kind of cool for this color. Other than that, it's just rainy. Just trying to clean it up the best I can and see what I got. It's not much. She runs, that's pretty much it. So just trying to do some cleaning. We're gonna vacuum everything. It's kind of gross inside, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna do a baby detail and see if I can get some more grit out of her, per se. So, all right, let's get to it. She's washed, she's prepped. She still needs a little love. Let's give her a little shout, shall we? Gotta full choke it. This is a full cold start here. My good old Scabby Gabby. Try round 2 here. Took a little of convincing, but she did start. But she's runs rough, full choke only. Well, we got a box of goodies here for good old Gabby here. I've decided that we're gonna try to rescue her a little bit, see what I can get done on this old girl. And so I bought some parts to see if I can get her running a little better, and then we'll see. We'll see what she does after that. Pretty sure that this hose that's completely blown out, along with a couple other things that I'm finding in the engine bay, are the reason that this runs like complete garbage, and you have to drive it with full choke. But we're gonna do a couple things on it, do a little bit of electrical work, new plugs, new wires, all that kind of jazz. Let's see if we can get her going a little better. All right, well, got this distributor cap off, about to do the plugs. The cap broke off because a bolt broke off right there, which is okay. I got all that stuff is new, so it's probably for the best. Get all that jazz out of there. I put a new rotor on. Right down here, first step, first new part that I'm doing on the old 60. Got a whole bunch of parts over here for the day. Do a new distributor cap. Should be making it a little more healthy, hopefully. Knock that guy on real quick. There we go. Cool, it's looking better already. All right, got all 6 spark plugs out. Gonna replace them with some new ones and give it a little more life. Got all 6 plugs back in place. Took off the good old fuel filter, and oh my gosh, this freaking fuel is dirty. Look how brown it is. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I'm glad I'm putting a new one on. All right, got a lot of new shiny parts on here. We're gonna give her a go. I think like I said, I found the culprit, vacuum leak to the carburetor, and got the wrong size gauge vacuum line here, so I wasn't able to complete all the vacuum set up in here, so I have to reorder that, but that shouldn't be a problem, you know. Runs like a charm, man. All I need is a little love. It's awesome. Runs so good now. Drove her out. Let's hit it.